Welcome back, innovative minds and strategic thinkers. Today, we're unpacking a critical aspect of your startup's journey: pitch deck revisions, knowing when to pivot. In the fast-paced world of startups, the ability to recognize when your pitch deck needs a pivot is essential for keeping your presentation aligned with your evolving business strategy and market dynamics. Let's explore the signals that indicate it's time to revise your pitch deck and how to effectively implement those changes. Firstly, pay close attention to the feedback loop. If you're consistently receiving negative feedback or noticing a lack of enthusiasm from investors, it's a strong indicator that your pitch deck might need a refresh. Listening to the concerns and questions of your audience can provide direct insights into which areas require adjustments. Stay alert to market shifts. Changes in the market trends or competitive landscapes can make parts of your pitch deck obsolete or less impactful. It's crucial to keep your content fresh and relevant by updating your deck to reflect the current market environment. Celebrate and incorporate your milestones. As your startup achieves new milestones or develops its product offerings, your pitch deck should evolve to highlight these successes. Showcasing recent achievements can significantly enhance the attractiveness of your pitch. Simplicity and clarity are your best friends. If the message isn't resonating or seems to confuse your audience, consider simplifying your narrative. A focused and clear pitch is more likely to engage investors and communicate your value proposition effectively. A visual refresh might be in order. Sometimes, updating the design and visual elements of your pitch deck can breathe new life into your presentation, making it more engaging and visually appealing. Don't forget to integrate new data and insights. Adding fresh data, customer feedback, or results from pilot programs can reinforce your business case, providing compelling evidence to support your propositions. Lastly, ensure your pitch deck aligns with your current business goals and strategies. As your business evolves, so too should your pitch deck. This alignment ensures that your presentation accurately reflects where your startup is headed. Remember, pivoting your pitch deck is a strategic exercise in staying relevant and resonant with your target audience. It's about fine-tuning and adjusting your narrative to ensure that your startup's vision and value are clearly communicated. Now, I'm keen to hear from you. What triggers have led you to revise your pitch deck, and how have you approached these adjustments to ensure your presentation stays on point? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below.